Today I am reviewing the NIMO 17.3-inch IPS FHD Gaming Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today we're taking a deep look at the NIMO 17.3-inch IPS Full HD Gaming Laptop, a device that aims to deliver strong performance, impressive features, and excellent long-term value, all at a price point that undercuts many mainstream gaming and productivity laptops. If you're looking for a large display, powerful hardware, modern connectivity, and dependable build quality, this model has a lot to offer. Let's start with what drives this machine. At the heart of the NIMO laptop is the AMD Ryzen 5 6600H, a 6-core, 12-thread processor with boost speeds up to 4.5 GHz. This is a highly capable mid-range CPU that comfortably outperforms older Intel models like the i7-1165G7. Whether you're multitasking with dozens of browser tabs, running office workloads, editing photos, or handling light to medium video work, the Ryzen 5 6600H provides smooth and efficient performance. In day-to-day use, it feels responsive, snappy, and dependable, making it a strong choice for both students and professionals. Paired with this processor is the Radeon 660M integrated GPU, based on AMD's RDNA 2 architecture. While this isn't a high-end, discrete graphics card, it is one of the best integrated GPUs currently available. The Radeon 660M uses 6 GPU cores clocked at 1,900 MHz, giving you enough performance to play popular games like Fortnite, Valorant, League of Legends, CS2, and many indie titles at good frame rates. It also handles media playback, streaming, and everyday entertainment effortlessly. Combined with the Ryzen processor, the GPU offers a well-balanced experience suited for casual gaming and general computing. Moving on to memory and storage, two areas where this laptop stands out. The NIMO comes with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is not only fast but also fully upgradable. This makes the system future-proof, ensuring you won't hit a performance bottleneck anytime soon. Whether you're multitasking between productivity apps, compiling code, or running creative software, the DDR5 memory keeps everything smooth. Storage is also generous. You get a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, offering blazing fast read and write speeds. Applications load instantly, files open without delays, and the operating system feels consistently responsive. And because the storage is expandable, you can add additional drives later if your needs grow. Now let's talk about the design and usability features that make this laptop especially practical. The laptop features a 17.3-inch Full HD IPS display, offering crisp visuals, wide viewing angles, and an anti-glare coating that reduces reflections. The large screen size is perfect for gaming, watching movies, working on spreadsheets, or editing creative content. With an 85% screen-to-body ratio and slim bezels, the laptop offers an immersive experience without unnecessary bulk. One standout feature is the built-in fingerprint reader, integrated into the touchpad. This provides fast, secure, one-touch login, perfect for users who want both convenience and privacy. Instead of typing passwords in public or worrying about someone looking over your shoulder, you simply tap to unlock. The backlit keyboard is another great addition. Whether you're working late at night or in a dimly lit room, the bright, evenly lit keys help maintain accuracy and comfort. The keyboard is responsive, the layout is comfortable, and brightness levels can be adjusted depending on your environment. Charging is another area where the NIMO laptop truly shines. Instead of relying on a bulky proprietary power brick, this laptop uses a 100-watt USB-C power delivery charger. This compact charger delivers fast charging speeds, and according to NIMO, just 15 minutes of charging can provide up to 2 hours of use. It's also compatible with many other devices, such as tablets, power banks, and phones, making it a fantastic travel-friendly solution. The included 6.56-foot cable gives you flexibility whether you're gaming at a desk or working on the go. Another benefit of choosing a NIMO laptop is the brand's focus on product quality and customer satisfaction. These devices are partially assembled and quality tested in the United States, ensuring reliable craftsmanship and strict quality control. The laptop also comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty and a 90-day no-hassle return policy, offering peace of mind that you don't get from many competitors in this price range. Overall, the NIMO 17.3-inch IPS FHD gaming laptop provides an impressive balance of performance, features, and value. You get a powerful Ryzen 5 processor, a capable Radeon 660M GPU, upgradable DDR5 memory, fast PCIe 4.0 storage, a large and vibrant display, USB-C fast charging, a secure fingerprint sensor, and a backlit keyboard, all backed by strong warranty support. If you're searching for a laptop that offers excellent productivity performance, smooth casual gaming, modern features, and a large display for work or entertainment, This NIMO model is a well-rounded option that stands out in its category.